Today we'll talk about how can you add current location on your Badoo app. We're going to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just click here on profile down here. When you click here on profile, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here, then come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on basic info, click on it, then come to next zip here. Then all you have to do, just click here on current location, then come to next zip here, then enter your city here. So then here can you add your city here when you just add it here. So I'm going to add, for example, here this location here. Just click on it, then it's going to change with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.